Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deactivate TikTok account. So the first step is to open TikTok application.
अगर आप
Sign in with your Google account or your TikTok account, then click on profile option. After click on profile, you can see in the top right corner three horizontal lines. Click on this option and then go to setting and privacy. Then click on account and you can see deactivate or delete account. Click on this option and you can see the option deactivate account. Click on this and click on again deactivate. Now a verification code sent to your email, just copy and paste here and then click on deactivate account option, and that's it. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video. See you in the next video.